Water just chilling in your kitchen sinks even after you've cleaned and snaked the pipes? Yeah, that's frustrating as heck, but there's still stuff you can try before throwing in the towel. So, first off, don't freak out or start pouring harsh chemicals down the drain. That will just mess things up worse and make it impossible to fix with a snake later. Instead, double check that the garbage disposal really is clearing stuff out. Sometimes it spins, but the blades are dull or jammed. Try running hot water for a solid 5 minutes while it's on to loosen any gunk stuck inside. If that doesn't clear it, get under the sink and look at the P-trap, the curved pipe, because it often traps food or debris. Unscrew it carefully with a bucket underneath to catch the water and clean out whatever is clogging it. If the P-trap is clear, your clog might be further down the drain line, so snaking again deeper could help. Plunging helps only if you have a good seal and enough force, so make sure you cover both sink drains if they're connected. Lastly, if all else fails, calling a professional drain service is worth it. They typically charge around $200 and save you from a bigger headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged kitchen sinks is pouring chemical drain cleaners down there. This ruins your pipes and makes future repairs tougher. Instead, stick to manual methods like snaking or removing the P-trap. Another common issue is not checking the garbage disposal properly. Sometimes it looks fine, but needs a reset or an actual blade cleaning. Lastly, many folks forget that kitchen sink drains usually have two connected sides. Plunging or snaking only one side won't fix the problem, so hit both drains to clear the blockage fully. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors find real jobs in their area, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.